Hope everybody's enjoying their time at home, surviving this global health pandemic for YouTube don't ban me reasons. You know, I'm doing what I can. I'm out here in nature now, doing a little fishing. So I don't think I filmed an intro when I got down here today, so I'm actually going to give you the post-trip intro. So I'm down here at one of my favorite creek spots. Pretty awesome little place down here. We got this deep hole. I don't know if you can see that, pretty big drop down to the creek bank. I've had pretty good luck here for a couple years now. We are breaking out the little spin cast reel. Had a couple little ideas in mind today. I do have these little tiny little jig heads that I'm going to be using. That seems to be you know, on the larger scale of fish that are out there. You can get a hook in them with that. There are going to be lots of little tiny little minnows that just kind of pick and can't get anything. So I was going to try something, you know, do a recycling from some baits, taking some old worms, also some old spinnerbait trailers, kind of tearing the tips off, trying to use them as a soft plastic. Didn't work that great for me. I'm using a little Mr. Crappie rattling weighted bobber, mainly just for the weight and the size, because honestly none of the fish out here are big enough to really pull this thing under, but you can see it move. Got a couple little split shot in here, a couple bobber stops, little twin tail grub. If I see something bigger, every now and again when you're down here you will see a you know, a decent 8-10 inch bass, something like that, that will get washed up down here. Haven't seen that today, but we were able to get one nice little sucker, and you'll probably see that here in a minute. I did have to go and turn some stones over, find a worm, and that worm was able to get us fish today on that jig head. So you're gonna see that now. So I do have something new I'm breaking out today. This is actually going to be a sponsored review on the channel. This is the Odds Pro fishing net. It's also available on Amazon. I believe these are $19.99 with free Amazon Prime shipping. Just a little net. It is kind of advertised as a butterfly net. They came to me, asked me to give them a review of their product in exchange for a free net. Told them I'd give it a shot. Has worked out fairly well for me. Nice. Alright, so we finally got us one here. Now let's check the effectiveness of this new net. I'm going to telescope this out. I'm not able to reach it down there. So the tang could be a little bit longer, but this is also a very long, very tall rock wall. Walker guy over to small water. Hey! So for small creek fishing, little pond, small bluegill, this will definitely work for that. little guy. Not too bad for this creek, honestly. I believe this to be a creek chub, or a little sucker maybe. Actually, it looks like it is a sucker. See his little pins right there at the top of his mouth? Let's let him go. Let's get a picture first. All right. This also does work pretty well as a little release net.